stitches. A little bit ago, I did a massive closet clean out, and while going through my wardrobe, I found quite a few pieces that needed some mending or some alterations, so today we're going to sit down and fix all of them. I started with this pair of hot pink shorts that I thrift flipped a long time ago. The bows were chronically floppy, so I just picked them off and restitched them a little bit differently, and now they look so much cuter. These mint jeans had some holes in the pockets. A quick darning or a satin stitch on the machine fixes that right up. Similar thing going on with this red skirt. A buttonhole ripped open a little bit, so a quick satin stitch will hold it back together. My gingham Liz Lisa skirt had some flaws when I bought it that I never bothered to fix. The original stitcher missed a couple spots on the ruffles, so I just scooched them back up and stitched over the top. Good as new. Or better than new, I guess. My black skirt stopped fitting me, so I added a few darts into the back. I took it in at 4 different points and just nipped in the waist. I also finished the ends on the straps on my little ruffly orange gingham top because I rushed the finishing on it when I filmed that video and I never really bothered to go back. Next, I really love this minty green crop top, but the neckline has never been right and just looks really bad on me, so I just trimmed off the problem piece and refinished it. A quick serge and a knit stitch to turn it up makes a shirt that I can be comfortable wearing in public. This blue skirt has some button and ribbon loop closures on it, and one of the loops has frayed. 1.5 inches of scrap ribbon is all it takes to fix this. This is an all polyester ribbon, so I can burn the ends to melt them, and that'll keep them from fraying in the first place. The zipper on this skirt is really old and really low quality, and it will fall down if the loops are not secure, so now it's safe to wear in public again. And my last project for today is a quick hand stitching project. I just need to fix a lining that has pulled itself free. I still have a few more pieces that I took out of my wardrobe that I need to alter, but these projects all require me to either buy something or they need actual thought to be put into them, so most of these will require their own full videos. As for the projects that I finished up today, all of these pieces can be put right back into my wardrobe and be worn again. And I always prefer to just use what I have than to go out and buy something new. That's all for today. I hope everybody has a good day, and I will see you all next time. Bye!